Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a watcher to your Clickup task. This is updated for 2024. They recently changed this and moved some things around, so if you had trouble finding it before, this should help you. Let's go ahead and go down here, add a task. I'm just going to call this a test task just to show you. Let's go ahead and click into it. Now, previously, I think it was up here, but now you go down to the bell icon and then you can add certain watchers. Right now it's just me watching it. So I click the X, I can add Jeremy here and he is now watching it. I can also add myself. This is in addition to whomever owns the task. So if you want to get rid of the watchers, you would just click X next to their name. You could also add some other settings so you can unwatch it as well, or you can watch it. So unwatching is so you're kind of on it, but you will only be notified when someone mentions you on this or you are assigned to it. And then watching is just your normal watching, so you get notified of all activity on the task. But that is how you assign a watcher to a task in Clickup in 2024 and probably 2025 and 2026 until they decide to update it again. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Clickup tutorials down in the description down below.